Are warming up a little bit. Hopefully you can give those heaters a break for this week. Is it going to get really cold again, or are we kind of like cruising here in these milder temperatures?
Well, it's not as easy as an answer of that. We are going to turn a little bit cooler by midweek, but we'll stay in the 40s. So it won't be anything that we can't handle. Definitely not too bad. Today, however, a pretty nice day temperature-wise out there. It's in the 40s, 50s, and 60s showing up on the map right now. So a little bit of a wide range. The metro seeing temperatures at 48 degrees, while further north up towards Niagara Falls, seeing temperatures near 60. Over into Albion and Batavia, you'll notice those temperatures in the upper 50s. So quite nice out there depending on where you are, but there are some weather concerns, and it's mainly dense fog. Now, if you're outside of Erie County, you may be thinking, she's crazy, because it doesn't look like anything's out there. But trust me, once you get closer to the city of Buffalo, the fog really starts to increase. And Todd and I were talking about it. Right near Elmwood in Delaware, you can see a little bit of a haze in the sky, but nothing too crazy. But then we see pictures from downtown Buffalo, and it's really, really thick fog. So just something to be aware of, very changeable on roadways out there. And there's a few reasons for it. One of them, our dew points. You'll notice in the mid-40s and close to 50 degrees, but also wind direction. It's out of the southwest, and it's bringing in some moist air to western New York. And it's also a little bit breezy in the teens out there. So just something to make note of. That's why the fog is happening. And until we see a shift in wind direction, I really think the fog will stick around. Here's what it looks like off of the One Seneca camera downtown. You can't see much, but that really does put it into perspective for you how dense the fog is, especially up in the upper atmosphere off of that building. Very, very dense. And for that reason, we've got an advisory in place. It's only for northern Erie County, and it lasts till 8 o'clock tonight. But like I mentioned a little bit earlier, until that wind direction really does shift, I think the fog will stick around longer than that in those areas. One other weather concern we're talking about today, the rain. Just some scattered light showers across both Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and Allegheny County. You'll notice in Springville, down into Olean, and then over towards Wellsville, some of the only lingering showers on the radar right now. But there is a second piece of this system that we're watching, and that's going to be bringing some widespread rain to our region through the overnight tonight and then for tomorrow morning. So that's exactly what we're tracking here on the hour-by-hour forecast. Again, this model does have us dry for most of tonight, but it's overnight, sometime after midnight, that I think McKean and Potter counties get the first of the rain, and then eventually it does make its way further north and impacts most of western New York for the daytime hours of tomorrow. Into the afternoon, just cloud cover, and then we begin to clear out, and that sets the stage for a pretty nice Wednesday and a pretty nice Thursday. Unfortunately, those are the 2 days that are going to be dry, but those are also the 2 days that are going to be a little bit cooler. So it's a give and take. For tonight, temperatures back into the lower to mid 40s. Again, we're watching the potential for that patchy dense fog. Tomorrow, temperatures will be back in the mid to upper 50s with those morning showers and fog. Otherwise, another nice day. And then by tomorrow evening, we'll be back into the low to mid 30s. That's actually seasonable for this time of year. We get the dry weather building in, and it will stay there through midweek.